Welcome back. You are now looking at the first results for Google Hangouts. And what we're going to do is we're going to visit Google Hangouts by clicking this link. Google Hangouts will allow us to collaborate with others in real time using multimedia. We can either use a phone call, a video call, which allows for screen sharing, or we could just use chat. Regardless, we can find individuals in our contacts starting a new conversation, or we can simply start a video call. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead into Google Hangouts, starting a video call so that we can take a look at screen sharing. Now we are inside of the actual Hangout, and what we have done is we have gone to this corner box and we have clicked the screen sharing button, and we're sharing the screen where we're working on the document so that we can also work on it with our collaborators. Now, what we could do in holding the conversation is we could actually hold that conversation with other collaborators through chat, or we can hold it through video. So what we would need to do from this point is to invite the people that we actually want to be there. Once we have them, we're going to click invite. And then that person is actually going to get a notification. So what we can do is to talk to people and interact in real time. So we can click the mic, which will allow us to be muted while someone else is talking. And then everyone will actually have the opportunity to interact over the document that we are working on. Now, this Hangout is designed for conversations. It's not necessarily designed for archiving the conversation that you're having. Now, in the next video, we're actually going to show you a small workaround that you can use in order to have the same kind of conversation using Google Tools, yet have your conversation archived. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.